Hey guys, so today I'm super excited because I'm going to be redoing a portion of my plant room with some new shelves to make some additional room for more plants. I know I said that my next video was going to be my macrame video, but I'm having such a hard time editing it so that it's not a 3-day video, guys. So I'm trying to make it, short and sweet, which is super difficult for me for some reason, especially with the macrame. I want you guys to be able to see it, do it, and I don't know if I got the best video quality, so I'm gonna do my best. Just want to show you how to do it, and I hope you're able to replicate it and have fun doing it and have a beautiful hanging macrame. Anyway, the point is, sorry I haven't gotten that video out yet, but I am working on it. Also, hi guys, I'm Ruthie. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I am so excited to get started. So let's get to it. So today I am stoked because I got a new shelving unit for my plants. I feel like this area has gotten quite messy, not quite able to fit as many plants as I would like comfortably and neatly. So I do have these two shelving units. Hey Mia. And then I just have like makeshift shelves with some crates here and over there, but I have a nice little shelving unit that's really supposed to be like for clothes that I'm super excited to put in this area. So why don't you guys join me and let's see how it turns out. Fiddly fig. Oh yeah. Alright, so I want to quickly show you how the shelves finally came out. I'm sorry if it's a little bit dark. I'm hoping it's not coming out dark. But I'm going to try and slowly pan. I will do a tour of my plant room in the next probably couple of weeks. I just haven't gotten a chance to. I do have a couple of new additions that I'm super excited about. You may notice them, you may not notice them, but I'll talk about them at that time. Did move some of the things from there as well. I do need to vacuum my shelves and clean up before I do my tour, if I get a chance. If I don't, I will do it with the dirt as is. But I am super excited about how these shelves came out. I still have room for more plants if I'd like. Still have room on my shelves over here, and some additional room down at the bottom. So I really am happy with how this turned out. And I moved the black shelf over here and put some of the plants that were up on that area over here. So I am super happy with these shelves. Still have room down at the bottom to put some low light plants. So yeah, that's how it turned out, guys. Let me know what you think. I wound up taking the curtains off, but putting them back on because I really didn't care for how it looked without them. They may seem like old lady curtains, but I don't know, I like them. And this room is supposed to be for guests anyway. If anyone comes, I have a bed here, a day bed that turns into a queen bed, but they'll be sleeping with my plants whether they like it or not. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to leave a link down below for the shelves if it's something that you think will work good in your space. I really love them. And they are, I meant to tell you guys, they are adjustable. You can make them shorter. The bar can extend or collapse. These shelves are also adjustable, so to different heights. And if you want this closed off, you can close it off. I just wanted it open so that I have more space for plants that are taller, and it's really customizable, and it does come in, I think, bronze, gold, and silver. I first saw it on a friend's page, Emily from Island Life. I'll try to remember to link her information up above. She had them and I thought they were so cute, and when I saw them, finally did see them on Amazon and saw that they can be adjustable for the space, I thought it was a great deal. I think they were $85 or something like that. But I think they can fit quite a bit, and it's nice because it also has a bar in between. If you want to have hanging plants there, you can put more hanging plants up on top, but you know, you can work it how your space, according to your space. So I really, really like them. I may get another pair for outside so I can fit more plants. But you know, pocketbook says no. I also forgot to mention that these shelves have this plastic barrier. If you like it, I put it on the top shelf, but I did not put it on the rest of the shelves because I do want all of the plants to get access to the humidifier, and I feel like this will hinder that from happening. So I may at some point take this off. We put it on originally, and kind of regretting that because it gets kind of dirty and I don't like it. So I may be taking that off, but if it's something that you do like so that the soil doesn't fall to the ground, or for whatever other reason they have it, the water so that it doesn't drip on the floor. I mean, it's up to you, but you do have that option as well. And when I was filming, you couldn't really see, but these are adjustable. These shelves are adjustable, different heights, wherever you want to put them. And this shelves could be put on the top, and you can add to that. But I decided to leave it here and leave it open so that a taller plant can be put on top. But it's totally up to you how you prefer to adjust this. You know, this can be put to be closed so that it looks like just one piece, but I wanted it to be as wide as possible to take up as much space so that I can fit as much on the bottom portion. And if I wanted to hang anything, I had more space on top and in the middle bar. I don't think I'm pointing correctly. The middle bar here you can hang, or the top bar you can hang. So I put it as wide as possible for my space. But I really think it's a great deal. I love how much space I have to put plants. So, you know, I'm happy with my purchase. Thanks, guys. Do you like them? But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. I haven't been posting as often, so if you hit that bell, you will get notifications when I do post. I will try to be more consistent, just haven't been able to. My son started football, and that is my life. I love it. I love watching him play. I'm like a little overly mom obsessed with just, you know, I'm like on the fence, like anyway, I'm sure most moms are like that anyway. So, but I know you guys understand. But thank you so much, guys. I totally appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.